Founder of the Vicky Helen Empowerment Foundation, Victory Njoku, has called for greater investment in women's health and wellness of a critical pathway to achieving sustainable development across Africa. Stakeholders made the call during a press conference in Abuja to unveil the Her Health, Her Power Conference Africa 2026, scheduled for August 20th at the Abuja. Here is more on this report.
Focused on sustaining the SDG development goals, stakeholders have emphasized the need to strengthen partnerships under SDG 3 with particular attention to maternal health as a central pillar of the Her Health, Her Power Conference Africa 2026. Speaking at the press ahead of the conference, the founder of Vicky Health and Empowerment Foundation, Dr. Victory Njoku, called on governments, development agencies, healthcare institutions, private sector organizations to support the initiative and collaborate in efforts to improve healthcare access and outcomes for women across Africa.
For healthcare in Africa, it's quite unfortunate that we are where we are right now when it comes to healthcare. But I will tell you one thing for sure. The government can't do much, so that's why we are calling on partners and NGOs, non-governmental organizations like myself, my own organization, coming together, creating a synergetic relationship that will propel the growth and the more awareness on the healthcare system, especially when it comes to women. The government should create a synergetic relationship with NGOs, with non-governmental organizations to drive this message forward. Because for places that some government agencies cannot touch, a lot of agencies, a lot of NGOs go there, reach out to these people, and they know them, they have the statistics, they have the numbers of these individuals that are going through this.
Also speaking, the president and founder of International Initiative for the Advancement of SDGs in Africa, Chuks Anyaduba, said that improving women's health is central to achieving the Sustainable Development Goal 3 on good health and well-being.
As a development partner, we believe that this conference will go a long way to shaping the mindset of women, the mindset of ladies, mindset of female leaders in Nigeria, and to also encourage that women should live up to expectations of taking roles. We have done projects in the past where we have supported maternal health through our maternal health initiative for mothers as caregivers of persons with disabilities. You know, we believe that this conference is significant. Her Health, Her Power Conference is a game changer that will redefine leadership positions for women.
The founder of the Princess Thyroid Awareness Initiative, Princess Akawo Dolo, and other stakeholders expressed optimism that the conference would serve as a catalyst for stronger partnerships and innovative solutions capable of transforming women's health and well-being on the continent.
We cannot discuss women's health without highlighting thyroid disorders, as it affects women and most times goes unnoticed. We are honored to partner with the Vicky Health Foundation, and we look forward to creating so many more awareness on women's health in general.
We can see it's talking about her health, her power, which is very women inclined, because most times we don't understand how much women's health, how fragile women's health can be, or how important it is. They go through a lot of stages, from adolescent stages to giving birth to nurturing the children to breastfeeding processes. There's just a lot of stages that they have to go through, which a lot of people cannot relate to if you're not a woman most times.
The conference, themed Leading with Wellness for a Sustainable Africa, is expected to bring together policymakers, healthcare professionals, development partners, corporate leaders, researchers, former heads of states, first ladies, and advocates from across the continent to discuss strategies for improving the lives of women and girls.